25 companies that hire for legitimate work-from-home jobs. In the last 18 months, more and more companies are looking to have their workforce working remotely, and also employees have got used to working from home and want to do it rather than commuting to the workplace. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring you new ways to make money and give you the life you want. Believe it or not, there are major companies employing people to work from home, and in this video we'll whiz through 25 of the most popular and give you a few tips of the types of work they are offering. 1. Amazon. Amazon is of course the largest online retailer in the world. Through its online marketplace, it offers traditional and e-books, furniture, household items, apparel, electronics, music, movies, and a vast selection of other products. Recent remote job postings were engineering, HR business partner, covering a leave of absence. 2. ATLASSIAN. ATLASSIAN is a publicly traded computer software business specializing in collaboration, development, and issue tracking software for teams. Recent remote job postings were site reliability engineer, paralegal, financial analyst. 3. AETNA. AETNA offers health insurance services and products to over 50 million network members, including medical, pharmacy, dental, behavioral health, disability, and group life plans. Recent work-from-home job postings included case manager nurse, network manager, dental network management. 4. Citizens Bank. Citizens Bank is one of the oldest financial institutions in the United States. The company offers individuals and businesses a broad range of financial and banking services. Recent work-from-home job postings were wholesale account executive, senior Salesforce engineer, home mortgage retail underwriter specialist. 5. ANTHEM Incorporated. For nearly 73 million U.S. members, ANTHEM and its affiliated companies deliver services and products that enable its members to receive the care they need to live a healthy life. Recent work-from-home job were clinical quality program admin, outreach specialist, business information analyst. 6. CROWDSTRIKE. CrowdStrike is an award-winning, global provider of cloud-delivered security technology, threat intelligence, and endpoint protection. Recent job advertised were program manager, DevOps engineer, senior Android sensor engineer. 7. DOCUSIGN. DocuSign is a California-based electronic signature and transaction management firm used by more than 50 million people. Recent remote job were enterprise account executive, enterprise sales, account executive, public sector. 8. GITHUB. GitHub is an open-source code hosting website, a publishing and social networking site for programmers. The company has hosted more than 66 million projects and helped a community of over 24 million people dedicated to learning, sharing, and working together to develop software. Recent work-from-home job postings included technical support account manager, implementation engineer, product designer. 9. Dell Technologies. Yes, even Dell Technologies have started getting employees working. Recent work-at-home job postings have been executive assistant, account managers, sales specialist. 10. HUMANA. HUMANA offers a variety of health, wellness, and insurance products and services designed to offer an integrated approach to lifelong well-being. Recent remote job were business support professional, social worker, vendor management professional. 11. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson have developed well-loved, popular products available throughout the world. Job postings have included Customer Development Manager, Software Engineer. 12. MERCK. MERCK is a global pharmaceuticals company offering products that include biologic therapies, vaccines, prescription medications, and animal health goods. Job advertised have been Associate Director, Platform Steward Replicon Particle Technology, Senior Clinical Research Associate, Oncology, Senior Specialist, Business Analytics. 13. IQVIA. IQVIA helps healthcare companies with clinical results, maximize commercial performance, and achieve better patient outcomes. Recent work at home job have been Clinical Research Associate, Clinical Study Manager, Principal Statistical Programmer. 14. NVIDIA is a visual computing company. NVIDIA provides technology solutions for movie production, medical diagnosis, video game, and scientific research. Recent work at home job are Developer Relations Account Manager, Senior Account Manager, Senior Bioinformatics Scientist. 15. PEARSUN. PEARSUN is a publicly traded, international learning company offering an extensive range of content, tools, products, and services for educators and learners of all ages. Job postings have been Test Administrator, Enrollment Management Assistant, Instructional Support Consultant. 16. Red Hat. Red Hat offers the Linux operating system and content, server, and embedded operating systems, collaboration management applications, database and software development tools, training services, custom software development, consulting, and support. Recent work from home job postings included Energy Sector Sales Specialist, People Governance, and Compliance Specialist, Deal Architect. 17. Salesforce. Salesforce, the world's #1 CRM, helps businesses of all sizes and from all industries connect with their customers in new ways. Recent work from home job were Senior Program Architect, Principal Solution Engineer, Full Stack Engineer. 18. PNC. PNC is a financial services corporation that works with retail, business, and corporate clients. Recent work from home job were Mortgage Home Lending Center Senior Loan Officer, Senior Software Developer, Cybersecurity Analyst. 19. SAP. SAP provides real-time data processing solutions. These include analytics, application platform and infrastructure, data management, IT management, and security software. Recent remote job have been Associate DevOps Engineer, Senior Network Engineer, Application Security Architect. 20. Stride Learning. Stride Learning offers teaching and personalized learning to help learners realize their full potential. Recent work at home job were K-5 school teacher, transition coordinator, high school counselor, special education. 21. Supporting Strategies. Supporting Strategies specializes in on-demand, outsourced accounting services for small businesses, things like payroll, human resource administration, accounts payable and expense management to name just a few things. Recent remote job postings were accountant and bookkeeper. 22. STEAMPUNK. STEAMPUNK offers cloud, cybersecurity, data exploitation, DevSecOps, platform, and human-centered design services for federal government agencies. Recent work at home job have been Enterprise Architect, Adjudications, and Immigration Processing Subject Matter Expert, Lead Technical Recruiter. 23. Twilio. Twilio operates as a cloud communications company that provides users with a way to make and receive calls and texts using web service APIs. Using VoIP, messaging, and phone services to be embedded into desktop, web, and mobile software. Recent work-at-home job have been Legal Operations Manager, Senior Sales Programs Manager, Vice President of Tax. 24. UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group provides benefits, services and healthcare coverage to clients and consumers across America and in 125 countries worldwide. Recent remote job have been Senior Business Systems Analyst, Senior Healthcare Economics Consultant, Provider Configuration Analyst. 25. Zoom Video Communications. Zoom provides modern enterprise video communications that feature audio and video conferencing, collaboration, chat, and webinars, and has been very popular over the last 18 months. Recent work-from-home jobs have been Senior Cloud Operations Engineer, Phone, Strategy and Enablement, Product Marketing Manager. This is just a small sample of the companies that offer legitimate proper remote jobs. So as you can see, there is ample chance to still work with major companies right across the world. Don't forget to leave comments below and subscribe to our channel. Have a good business week.